It all began several 100 million years ago. When the first dinosaurs began to roam the earth, there was already limestone in the ground, which would become today's limestone quarries.
Hi, my name is Daniel Juvel, and our family company SMA Mineral has been in business since 1932. And this is what it's all about: limestone. Some people say limestone is not as beautiful as gold, but I can assure you, it's at least every bit as magic. Unlike gold, limestone is absolutely essential to mankind. In fact, limestone in its various forms, which we refine at our limeworks, is an indispensable part of everyone's daily life. That's right, everyone's daily life.
But now we're leaving the laboratory. Come with us out into the real world and we'll show you a few things you probably weren't aware of. Swedish steel is world famous. For steel to have exactly the right properties, as in these bicycles here, limestone is needed. Large quantities of limestone.
Limestone from SMA Mineral is needed to form slag, which takes away impurities that cause steel to oxidize. And what's more, dolomite, a type of limestone containing a lot of magnesium, is needed to protect the steel furnaces themselves to extend their lifespan.
Are you wondering how limestone helps you in your everyday life? Let's visit the Larsson family on a typical weekday morning. The water used to make the morning coffee has probably been purified using limestone. Limestone is needed to manufacture the cardboard in, for example, this juice carton and the paper in John's magazine.
The bread and cereal come from crops grown on land that has been improved with limestone-based products. Even the sugar in the coffee and marmalade have been produced with the help of limestone. Now it's time to move on from this beautiful little family breakfast to something far bigger.
Roads, bridges and buildings need limestone. Various limestone products from SMA Mineral stabilize the ground, ensure that the asphalt binds properly, and are the main ingredients in cement. And if that's not enough, finely crushed limestone has been proven to be a suitable replacement for grit and salt in the fight against icy roads. Let's leave this snowstorm for now.
Limestone is essential in agriculture. It breaks up clay soil, it stabilizes the pH level, and it maximizes the nutrient supply to the crops.
Yes, limestone from SMA Mineral truly makes a difference. Calculations show that soil improved with lime produces harvests up to 150% higher over a 5-year period. Quite simply, the right lime dosage improves the soil and gives a lot in return. Let's move on. It's not a big step from here to the important environmental issues. Limestone is needed in both flue gas scrubbing and water treatment. Without most of us even thinking about it, it provides the most natural things we have: clean air and good fresh drinking water. Unfortunately, nature needs a helping hand to thrive. But thanks to limestone, new life is returning to our acidified lakes. Now let's take a look.
This lake was sprayed with limestone powder a few years ago. It should have produced results by now.
Luckily, there is less need to lime lakes now. We've become more environmentally aware, and acidifying emissions have decreased since the 1990s.
So, this is where our journey ends, but not for SMA Mineral, because new uses of limestone are discovered all the time. For nothing at all could be more natural.